So I did mine over the prep step and the Kreb cycle. The preparatory reaction, or the prep step, is so called because it converts the products from glycolysis into products that enter the citric acid cycle. As you see here, in this reaction, the C3 pyruvate is converted into a C2 acetyl group and CO2 is given off. This is an oxidation reaction in which electrons are removed from pyruvate by NAD plus and NADH is formed. One prep reaction occurs per pyruvate, so all together the prep reaction occurs twice per glucose molecule. The C2 acetyl group is combined with a molecule known as CoA. CoA will carry the acetyl group to the citric acid cycle in the mitochondrial matrix. The two NADH carry electrons to the electron transport chain, and as far as CO2, it freely diffuses out of the cells into the blood, which is transported to the lungs and is exhaled. Here is the Kreb cycle. The Kreb cycle is otherwise known as a citric acid cycle. It is a cyclical metabolic pathway located in the matrix of the mitochondria. It has 5 major steps. The first step is the cycle begins when the C2 acetyl group is carried by CoA combined with C4 molecule to form citrate. The second step is twice over substrates are oxidized as NAD plus is reduced in NADH and CO2 is released. The third step, ATP, is produced as an energized phosphate and is transferred from a substrate to ADP. In the fourth step, again the substrate is oxidized, but this time FAD is reduced and FADH2 is produced. In the fifth step, once again the substrate is oxidized and NAD plus is reduced to NADH. That's the Kreb cycle.